Hello there, it's Haley from SevereWeatherTV.com, giving you a brief look at cyclones today as we're going to focus on the United States severe thunderstorm weather threat. So, low chance of tropical cyclone formation on that one, low chance of tropical cyclone formation for that. This does look like it could maybe turn into tropical depression, maybe low level, but this thing has never looked in the models all that strong. So, moving on. Apparently we're up to 9. So this is a new thing, severeweatheroutlook.com just kicked off, where you've got the overview of here's all the different areas and that have outlooks and stuff, and that's about all there is at the moment. Let's refresh this. This is Tornado HQ. Here are the severe thunderstorm warnings in effect at the moment, so stuff all over the place. So today, as high as a 30% chance for winds, that's the biggest threat. So this is the map showing the probability of the 58 mile per hour and greater winds. This is a map showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. This is a map showing that there's a 5% chance of a tornado today. Tomorrow, 15% all the way over there. And then day 3, which happens to be what? April 26th? That's, I don't know, I can't calculate. Saturday? Right, I can't think off the top of my head, apparently. So, we're going to talk about what this significant thing is. So you've got this 30% chance, which happens this time, to overlap with where the black hatched area is. So, this, if you go down and read about tornadoes, it sounds like on Saturday, tornadoes are not much of the threat. It's more so apparently going to be the very large hail. So apparently in this black hatched area is where there's the possibility, instead of just being 1 inch or larger hail, the models are favoring that there'll be 2 inch or larger hail. So that's not good. And then in the medium range, the day 4 and day 5, so Sunday and Monday basically, is where they still have the kind of scary wording, which is strong tornadoes are possible, and why that is kind of unordinary, that's a word, right? Is that the Storm Prediction Center generally does not get into specifics in the medium range, and they've been saying that with for a few days now, significant multi-day severe weather event expected. Right, so if you're in basically this area, you should be paying attention to the weekend threat, and you should be planning ahead. Like, doesn't mean you necessarily are going to have to cancel plans, but you should be thinking ahead as to where shelter would be, you know, where you're going to be near, you know, what you're going to do if you end up in a tornado watch. And then, of course, if you end up in a tornado warning, you need to hit the deck immediately. Right, so that's going to be fun. Or something. And this may well be the first tornado outbreak of the season, for a season that has not really kicked off. Which is a good thing if it doesn't kick off, but it's just kind of out of the ordinary. SevereWeatherTV.com is a website that you should go to or not. And click on things or not. Yes. And that is it for today. Have fun.